Hello, I just got home from work and I got a package, and I always know when it's addressed to Jess Kaplan that it is going to be something really fun. So I think it is from CRZ Yoga. I always call it Crazy Yoga. I should actually ask them if that is correct or not. So let's dig in. All right, we have like a wine colored bra. I really wanted to try some of their new bras. So this is a yoga bra. The color is Noctilucent Red, and I actually already have leggings this color, so I picked out this bra to match. The next thing I can already see is so beautiful. I got a bra in this new color called Hibiscus Purple. I thought this was gorgeous, and it reminds me of like a Lululemon like spring summer color. These are like the best Lulu dupes. I can't wait to make this video for you. And then we got the matching leggings. So I'm so excited to have matching sets. So these are the matching yoga leggings, and these are seriously so buttery soft. They are amazing. I have already worked with CRZ Yoga once before, so I'm really excited to work with them again. Okay, we have these dark green yoga leggings. I feel like some of these have pockets and I can't remember. Oh yes, these have pockets. So I'm excited. I mean, who doesn't love a pocket? And then this yoga bra in true navy I thought would just be like a nice, like go with everything color. And then this yoga bra also in dark green. So we actually have 2 sets, and then actually like 3 sets if you count my other leggings that I got from them the last time. One more thing. These are shorts. They are 6-inch inseam shorts in the color Supersonic Blue. So that is a gorgeous color. I'm so excited. So thank you, CRZ Yoga. I already know that I love you. I can't wait to film this video this coming weekend. It will be out probably either next Wednesday or the Wednesday after. Probably next Wednesday, but we'll see. So stay tuned on my YouTube. I am just like looking at these things and I'm like, pinch me, because this was like a dream that I had like 3 years ago. I started my channel in 2019, and yeah, I'm getting there. I'm really getting there, and thank you for your support out there. It means a lot to me, and I hope that I bring you good content, that you can learn good activewear, like sometimes expensive like Lulu, and sometimes really affordable like Crazy Yoga. So I hope that you love hearing about good activewear. That's really important to me, because if you're going to spend your money, I want you to spend it on good things that are quality, and I want you to know like when to wear the things, because that's what I always struggled with, was like, I don't know what sports bra to wear on what day, what leggings are actually going to stay up and stuff like that. So yeah, I really just thank you for being here, but I truly hope that it helps you.